In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload own media to Lumen5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own images, video clips, and audio into your project so everything looks and sounds the way you want. First, make sure you're logged into Lumen5. Having your files ready on your computer will make this smooth. Think branded images, B-roll clips, screenshots, or music you have the right to use. Larger files will take longer, so a stable internet connection helps. Once you're signed in, open your video in the editor. From your dashboard, choose the project you want to work on so the full editing workspace loads. You'll see your scenes or storyboard in the center and controls around the edges. Inside the editor, click on Media. This opens the media panel where Lumen5 shows available assets. It's your central hub for everything visual and audio in your project, making it easy to stay organized while you build out your story. In the media panel, switch to the Uploads tab. This is where your personal files live, separate from any stock libraries. Keeping your brand assets here makes them easy to find later and ensures consistency across projects. Now click on Upload Media. A file picker will open so you can browse your computer and choose what you want to add. You can select one file or several at once. Stick with high quality, commonly used formats and resolutions that match your project settings to avoid unnecessary compression. If you have specific brand file names or folders, keep that structure so you can recognize files at a glance. After you confirm your selection, you'll see the upload start right away. Progress indicators may appear, and it's best to stay on the page until everything finishes. If a file is large, give it a moment. You'll know it's ready when a clear thumbnail or waveform appears in the Uploads tab. If something fails, check your connection, ensure the file isn't corrupted, and try again with a slightly smaller version if needed. Once the upload completes, your assets are available in the Uploads tab, ready to use in your project. Thumbnails make it easy to identify the right clip or image, and keeping your uploads concise helps the panel stay tidy. A quick note on best practices. Use visuals that match your video's aspect ratio, aim for consistent styling, and only upload content you're authorized to use. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your project, click Media, go to the Uploads tab, and click Upload Media. With your own media in place, your Lumen5 video will reflect your unique brand and message.